Hey guys, Charles here and welcome to the unboxing and review of TECNO Spark 10 Pro. Now TECNO Spark 10 is the direct successor of TECNO Spark 9, and this one comes with 128GB storage with 8GB RAM, which is actually extendable, so you can extend it to 16GB of RAM, meaning this is a 16GB of RAM phone. And the specification is quite amazing. It's having 32 megapixel of selfie camera, 50 megapixel of the rear camera, and if you are a gaming person, it's actually running on, it has G88, that's the gaming processor, and it's having hard wearing starry glass according to TECNO Spark 10 Pro is having Layoo G88 octa processor, and this is a 4G phone, so you can use it on 2G, 3G and 4G network, which is quite amazing. It's 6.8 inches FHD, that's the screen, and the resolution is 1080 by 2460. The camera, of course, according to what TECNO has put here, is amazing, but that's what we're going to get to know. The battery is 5000 amps. Unfortunately, I had already broken the seal, but this is a brand new phone. I haven't really used it, and let's get to open it so that you get to see how TECNO Spark 10 Pro looks like. So upon opening the box, you actually welcome with a brand new TECNO Spark 10 Pro with all the specification that I've been showing you. This is how the back looks like. It's having about 3 cameras and then a flashlight. When you also continue opening the box, you get to see the TECNO warranty card, and then there is also the TPU case for you to protect the back of your phone. There is also a charger. This should be a type C charger, and I believe this phone supports fast charging. We also have another box here. Not sure what is inside, but let's find out what is inside this box. Now this small blue box carries about 2 things. There is a type C TECNO Spark charger, and then we also have the TECNO wired earphones. Quite amazing. So whenever you buy a TECNO Spark 10 Pro, this is what you get. And looking at the back design, the design is good, really smooth, and I think TECNO is trying to improve a lot on that. Just that they are trying to copy the iPhone style, I would say. The camera looks more of an iPhone, but you know, I guess that's the trend. So the back is really smooth with TECNO Spark branding on it. Very nice. And this is how the phone looks like with the camera. Then we do have the speaker. There's also another speaker here, microphone, and then this is for your wired earphones. I'm Charles, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and quick review. Please subscribe to this channel and like this video, comment, and let me know what you think about TECNO Spark 10 Pro. See you in my next video.